Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to present the anatomy and physiology of the human body, and here we'll discuss about the human body and the different level of structural organization of the body. So now we'll see about the human body and the levels of structural organization. So here, this is the different level of the structural organization. As we know that human beings are the most complex organism on this planet, so the human body is a complex, highly technical and sophisticated machine that is with high degree of complexity, and the structures that are present in the human body, they are connected or linked to each other in a complicated ways. The human body is a single structure, but it made of billions smaller structure with its own identity, its own functions, and they work together in an organized manner for the benefits of the total being. Each part of the human body is related to each other and they do not operate independently but rather in a conjunction with all the others. If one part fails, the consequences are likely to extend to other parts and reduce the ability of the body to function normally. So, equal participation and integrated working of the body parts ensures the ability of the individual to survive. So, now we'll see the different levels of structural organization and complexity. So, the lowest level is the atom level. So, now we'll see about the atom level. So, atom. I know that everyone knows what is atom and what are the subparticles of atom. So now atoms. Atoms are the smallest unit or the smallest particles of an element. So our body structures are made of great variety of combination of the four elements, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and a small amount of minerals. This is all about the atoms, and now we'll see the molecule level. The molecule level. Molecules. What are molecules? Molecules is a particle made up of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together. So molecules are made up of one or two or more atoms bonded together to act as a single unit. That is a molecule. A group of atoms that form together or bond together that to act as a single unit or to form as a single unit is called molecule. That is all about the molecules. So the next we'll see about the cells. What are cells? As we know that cells are the smallest functional unit of the body and life. So cells are constituted of organic, inorganic compound and the major classes of organic molecules. As a group of molecules form cells. So a cell consists of a plasma membrane, that is a thin membrane which protects the inside of the cell from the outside environment. And inside this cell membrane, there is number of organelles which have their own specified function, and they are floating in a watery fluid called cytosol. And we'll see about what is cytosol. Cytosol, it is a fluid present inside the cell membrane, and cytoplasm, it is a cell component present inside the cell membrane. This is all about the cellular cell. And now we'll see about the tissue level. So tissue, what is tissue? The term tissue is used to describe a group of cells found together in the body, that is a human body tissue, which will make the organs and other body parts. So these tissue are the large number of cells which are grouped together to make an organs or the body parts, and they are classified according to the size, the shape and the functions. And there are four main types of tissue. They are epithelial, connective, muscle and the nervous tissue. So we'll see what are the small functions of this tissue. The epithelial tissue, They primarily serve to protect, absorb, and secrete, and for the connective, they support and separate other tissue and organs. And for the muscle tissue is they help in contracting for the proper or to produce the movement of the body parts. And for the nervous tissue, they help in respond to the stimuli, that is to transmit stimuli from the brain to the body. This is all about tissue level. Now we'll see about the organ level. Organ level, that is this each organ. So an organ is a group of tissue joined together or bond or combine together to form a unit, to form one organ, so that they can perform their own specific function. Example, that is a stomach. So here stomach is made of muscles, connective, epithelial and the nervous tissue. And all these organs make up the system, that is from atom, a group of atoms make molecules, and a group of molecules make cells, and a group of cells make tissue, and a group of tissue make organs. So a group of organs make system. So these organs are present or contained in the four cavities of the body, that is the cranial cavity, the thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, and the pelvic cavity. This is all about the organs level. Now we'll see next is the system level. So now the system level, as we know that a group of organs form a system. So system is an organization of the varying number of organs that are arranged together to perform the complex function of the body. So there are different systems in our body, that is the major system of human body are the integumentary system, the muscular system, the skeletal system, the nervous system, the circulatory system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, endocrine system, urinary or the excretory system, reproductive system, and the digestive system. These systems, they work together to help the individual to survive. That is, they connected to each other and they work together for the functions of the body. This is all about the system level. And now we'll see about the organismal level. Organismal level, that is the human body. It developed from a single cell called zygote, that is the fusion of the egg cells, that is ovum, the female egg cell, and the spermatozoa, the male germ cells. They fuse together to form a zygote, and the zygote undergone division and resulting to an embryo, and it will be implanted into our uterus, and the embryo continue development through a fetal stage until birth, and further growth and development it continue after birth through childhood, adolescence, and adult. And also during growth and development, it also include the physical structure and the psychological development, that is the skills and the intellectual development. This is all about the human body and the levels of structural organization of the human body, and I hope this video helps to understand the structural level of organization and about the human body. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.